Namaste to one and all. Welcome to Learn First Class of Carnatic Music. Presently I am working Go Guru Institution for online classes. It's a wonderful institution. Today I am going to start with Swaras, Sabda Swaras. Sabda means what? Sound. Swaras means alphabets. In all the languages you can see alphabets. Same way music field also we have alphabets. These alphabets only called swaras, and swaras come together is called pattern. Pattern comes together is called tunes. Tunes comes together called tunes comes together we will get the beautiful songs. Each swaras got a particular position or place. Now I am going to teach another thing, very important thing. Shruti. Wherever we used to sing, you use that Shruti box and tambura. Without these things, you should not start the class, because it's a bass. The swaras, the sound is coming, sa pa sa, like that. In Shruti box also it is coming. See, in Sanskrit, there is a proverb is there, Shruti Mata Layapita. How the parents are important for a child. Same way for music also. Shruti and Laya is very important. Shruti Mata and Layapita. These things very, very important for Carnatic music. Then, first we start the class with some warm-up exercise. What is meant by warm-up exercise? We start the class sa pa sa. This is the fundamental swaras. Sa pa sa. In this sa and pa is called Prakriti Swarangal. These two swaras is there in all the ragas. Sapa illada ragame kadayadu. So Sapa is called Prakriti Swarangal. It's very important swaras. Next, Arohana and Avarohana. What is mean by Arohanam? Arohanam is how the staircase is going one by one. Like that the swaras also going. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This first sa re ga ma pa da ni sa is going to up top. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa. This is called Aroganam. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. This is called Avaroganam. So these two, Aroganam and Avaroganam, joined together, we'll get a beautiful ragas. So it's very important, Aroganam, Avaroganam, where whenever the music class starts, anything, Geetam or Swarajati or Varnam, Kirti, anything, you must start with the Aroganam and Avaroganam. Then only we used to start the class. So that much of powerful Aroganam and Avaroganam is. Next, Laya. Laya means what? Talam. First itself I told you, Shruti Mata, Laya Pita. Shruti evlo important ho, adhe mari Talamum important. Talam, 8 beats. First 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called Lagu. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is called Dhritam. So Lagu and Dhritam joined together, you get the beautiful Aditalam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Lagu and Dhritam together join, you will get a beautiful Talam. So now you all understand what and all I taught you. First what I taught you, what is the Sabda Swaras. After that, Shruti. Shruti Mata Laya Pita, Shruti and Talam. It's very important for Carnatic music. Next, warm-up exercise. Then, Arohanam and Avarohanam. So, these are all very important thing for Carnatic music. That too also those who are learning, beginners, students. Then, Carnatic music is this powerful medium. You can prove your skill through. And if you learn Carnatic music, you can easily sing light music or any type of music. So, that much of powerful music is our classical music. So, everybody should learn. You must improve your music knowledge through Carnatic music. So, next class I will teach you other exercise. Till then, goodbye children.